Where were the ballot boxes?
The ballot boxes were on the table that we were preparing to start counting, just at the middle.
Were they affected by the fire?
No.
Very well. So you had reached a point where the lamp is removed?
Yeah, it was removed. We put it off outside, and so queues erupted. Locals started saying that it is outside who have burnt the classroom.
What do you mean outside burned the classrooms?
Locals, some people with clubs, bulls, they claimed that those people who came from outside the Mbeere North have burnt the classroom. So unfortunately, I was one of them.
Well, were these locals part of the agents, or were they part of the voting process?
They weren't. They came immediately. We started screaming. Very many people.
Can you estimate a number?
Close to 300.
300. Where were IBC officials at this time when the locals?
All of us had run outside, so it's the locals who are entering the classroom.
Did you record this incident?
Yeah, I took several videos. I took photos.
And did you present those videos?
Yes, I presented some.
Your Lordship would like to play some video clips.
This is Gachuba for the fourth respondent.
Yes.
Council wants to play some video, but I don't seem to find it in the affidavit.
The affidavit?
Yes, we have not been shown any video. Tends to play.
Council?
Yes, Your Lordship, all the videos were produced by petitioner's witness number one, the petitioner himself. And
yeah. The point is, the council is making is that this witness did not make any indication that he produced anything. How is it attached, that document?
It is actually attached to the petitioners.
As what?
It's in his certificate of authenticity at paragraph 9. That would be at page 36 of the petitioner's document.
Page 36?
Yes. That would be NNK 18, which he says consists of photographs, video clips depicting security lapses and failures of chain of custody. The Lordship, for the record, the petitioners refer to his agent and witnesses, which the one before you was part of.
NNK 18 is alleged to have been produced from online sources.
Yes.
Not from this witness.
I'm actually getting to that, Your Lordship.
Yeah, let's deal with the question of whether this document is admissible.
That certificate that the petitioners are referring to, it actually mentions, the petitioner himself as the person who recorded that video. So it cannot be
Where are you looking at?
certificate. Paragraph 18.
What page is it?
If you look at paragraph 18,
Paragraph
18, my lord. 9.
18 of the
Sorry, paragraph 9.
paragraph 9.
Yes, of the certificate by the petitioner. He says he's the one who took the video. So this witness cannot play that. Where does it say that? Paragraph 9.
I can't see where it says that.
Of the certificate, my lord. Petitioner certificate.
The company admissibility.
Yes.
Has 2 pages.
Yes.
On the second page,
Yes. Paragraph 9.
9, it says NMK consists of photographs, audio clips,
Yes.
security lapses, and pages in the chain of custody. Electro material, photographs, accessed, viewed, downloaded, and or recorded from online platforms, digital sources, using my electronic device.
Yes.
You
So
have
it's
a
not
problem,
this one, yes.
Mr. Wamuthende.
Yeah, my lord.
Say something on the same issue being raised by Mr. Kindiki Gashoba. My lord, I've looked at the entire affidavit of this witness. There is nowhere he mentions any video, having taken any video.
Yeah.
He's trying to introduce additional evidence.
That was mentioned by Gashuba.
Your Lordship, Kiragu Abuta,
Yes.
the petitioner testified and produced as evidence in chief his affidavit sworn on 22nd December 2025.
Very long affidavit.
Yes, we find it at page
Yes, I have the affidavit.
86 onwards.
Yeah.
My lord, that affidavit together with its annexures were produced without any
Where
objection.
is the reference to this material?
It is that paragraph it is that paragraph 111, paragraph 111.
As we used to check out, my lord, my name is Diego Njiro. As we check out what the pleadings indicate, what is the controversy? Is the controversy that he's not the one who recorded the video, controversy that he cannot rely on the video that has been used by the but we understand, because the certificate will only relate to the question of the recording. So what is the actual controversy that Mr. finds in him relying on a video that has already been produced? What's the actual controversy?
What is the controversy, Mr. Gashuba?
My lord, the issue was that the witness was being led into playing a video which he took using his own electronic
That's what was stated.
Yes. But there's no
I
evidence.
took some video clips which I can show. That's what
Yes,
I
yes.
recorded. I don't always record the exact ones. That's what I recorded. So if there's a video clip that that's the one like, or else he would have to retract that.
Yeah, very well, my lord. And that's the basis that I was laying. This video, together with others, they are all here, were produced by the petitioner without any objection. So they are already part of the record, they are part of the evidence. And even the documents, leave alone videos, documents which have been produced by other witnesses, a subsequent witness can refer to them, just in the way we have referred to Mogela's documents. So this is evidence that's already on record, and he's saying I'm the one who recorded. It was produced with no objection. So he's saying, let us go to that evidence that is already on record, and I want to demonstrate something using it. This witness can even come and talk about the voters register.
which is not him who made or produced.
No, I don't have a problem with what you're saying.
Very well.
My problem is that he took some videos. I've been trying to find out whether there are videos he took.
But I can see the
And they're already on record. They're already produced.
No. So the council. He said he took some video clips which I can show.
Yes.
There's nowhere he alleges to have taken video clips.
Very well.
Is there a place where he has alleged?
Very, very well. Very well.
us. What you can do is habit.
It's your case.
Yes,
It's your
so
case.
Just like to my affidavit.
It's your case.